Sunshine. So today we're unboxing our February Barkbox box, and today we have Pepper here to unbox with us. Pepper is a 3-year-old Pitbull and Boxer mix. She is very much a sweetheart, and she is very excited for this box. It has been like half an hour here. I've been trying to sit here and get her settled down so I can show you guys on camera what she looks like and everything while we're unboxing this box. Barkbox is $22 a month. In it you get like 2 toys and 2 dog treats, and the box that I got last month for Pepper, I have her marked as a heavy chewer. All of the toys have lasted. The only thing was is she wasn't super in love with the treats, which is kind of weird because she'll eat anything, but I think maybe it's just because they were kind of on the smaller side, which I thought was weird because I have her marked as a large dog, so I thought it was kind of odd that they sent out really small treats. But with that said, we're gonna start unboxing it. So Pepper, would you like to do the honors with me? She was so hyper and now she's like all worn out. Pepper, look, come here. I have the box for you. Look, are you excited? Come on, I'll scooch over. And you can come and box with me, okay? So this month's theme, since Pepper can't understand English, this month's theme is like candy. So it'll be a complete surprise to her, right? Look at the side eye she's giving me. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, are you excited? So here's what the box looks like the paper of it. It's really cute. It's got like a little candy and stuff on the inside. So the only thing that I wish Barkbox did was send out a little information card on like the flavors and the ingredients on the treats that they have, or like the price value of everything, because I have no idea what the actual cost or the actual value of each month's box is. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this card. Yeah, I don't really know what these are for, but with that said, here's what the actual box looks like. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. Okay, so in here we have 2 toys. The first toy we have here is this little like piece of bubble gum. Now the little, what are these things called? The ends of the treat are just like crunchy paper, and then the inside is like that texture like ball, and it also has a squeaker in it. I have to take the tag off. Give me a second. I don't want you to choke. I don't want you to choke on the tag. So she loves squeaky toys. Go ahead. Go ahead. You don't even seem that happy. Are you excited? Oh, she's gonna go off. She's gonna wander off. And so then the next toy that we have, Pepper. I have another toy. Pepper, I have another toy. What do you think? Oh, no, but what about the other baby? Hey, sit. We have to talk about it first before we get into it. This is a bubblegum ball machine. I wonder if I'm too far back for you guys. I'm sorry if you can't see it super well, but this is a bubblegum ball machine. The bottom, the base of the bubblegum ball machine is that same like textured tissue paper kind of material. And the inside of this is a spiky ball that also has a squeaker. So we have 2 pieces of like candy right here. So which one do you want, huh? Get down. You're gonna scratch my face and I'm giving you treats. That's not a fun time, buddy. Okay, which one do you want? Over here. Come on, come on. Come get it. Come get it. Okay, there you go. Have fun. Have at it. There we go. Have a great time. And then, so then we also have three treats in this box. We have this Jones Natural Chews Lambie Links. So it's basically like a beef jerky stick, has some texture to it. It says oven baked, satisfies chewing urge. So it's really like a crunchy stick. And then the last 2 treats that we have in here. Pepper, I have treats. Pepper, I have treats. You want one? Then you need to sit. Good girl. Okay. So here I have a J.M. Slobbering's Ham Dandies Soft and Chewy Pork Dog Treats. Then over here I have this I Am Slobbering's Peanut Butter Pups Peanut Butter Dog Treats. I love how like the packaging of this really fits in with this month's theme. So I can't deal with pork. I'm very allergic to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give her a peanut butter one. And we're gonna see. Oh, it does not smell fun. I was like, oh my God, maybe it'll smell really good. So are we gonna show off any tricks we know? Huh? Can you give me, sit, give me a hug right here. Oh, thank you, good girl. Easy, easy, good girl. Okay, she's gonna eat that. Okay, so that's everything that I got inside of our February Barkbox. I have to say, if she wasn't a heavy duty chewer, if she was a dog that would like didn't go through toys that quickly, I would say that $22 for this box is definitely very overpriced. But the toys that she like can, like, the toys that withstand her chewing abilities are usually really expensive, and considering that the toys that I got in last month's box have lasted all the way through, haven't even shown really any signs of damage, I would say that this box is well worth it, and I would think that Pepper would agree, wouldn't you? So that is everything that we got inside of our February Bark box. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this subscription in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.